Okay, so hey all, and I'm back with another video. It's not a funny video or makeup video or an advice video. It's just a small YouTube recommendation about this web series, a zero budget web series called A Summer Story. And believe me, it's really amazing. And I'll just give a short YouTube review and my personal opinion about this web series. So let's get started. So the story of how I encountered about this web series is, those of you who watch this web series, you're guessing it right, it's through a YouTube comment. Actually, I was watching BBK Vines as always, new video I am in a here, and someone just recommended, in the comment section, just a random comment that, guys, watch A Summer Story, it's a zero budget web series and everything. And I was intrigued, like, what is this summer story, zero budget web series? So I searched it up and boom, here you go. So I watched the whole series in 2 days because I was busy with work and everything. And trust me, it's really an amazing concept, firstly. Secondly, a very simple story, a very simple yet not a very cliched storyline. Thirdly, the whole technical aspects were so amazing, doing it through a mobile phone and just a small tripod camera, and the actors themselves handling it. I'm not very that much experienced in filmmaking, though I do video editing and stuff. The storyline is really simple and not very many complicated characters, though I'm a huge fan of complicated characters and such cool web series like Sacred Games, and there's Made in Heaven, there is Smoke web series. There's so many web series out there, but this web series, I watched even YouTube web series like Kota Factory, and I watched Baked, but this web series, though it's just like any other, but the storyline is so superly simple, yet not very cliche, like of falling in love and the main protagonist being in a romantic relationship. It was nothing like that. It was just this random. It's just so random that an Indian American girl meeting a normal guy on Marine Drive, and how the girl shares the apartment with 3 guys and creates a bond with them. Also how the girl is really helping them in their problems and giving them good advice. The series is so realistically portrayed. The problems are so real. I mean, the problems are so common that we youngsters are facing in today's day and age, about fame struggles, or about being in a relationship, or about conflicts with your parents. And also for the fact that each and every character had a past, had kind of a past, or is facing some or the other problems. It's not over dramatic or over the top complicated problems. It's just basic problems of today, and it's just basic problems of what people like you and I go through, like almost, of people like I know someone who goes through, or you may know someone who goes through these problems. And it's it's so beautifully portrayed, like people who come from broken homes, or people who don't want to fulfill the ambitions of their parents, and don't want to do a conventional job and become a writer or become an actor, or people who love their job, who are into their job so much, into their marketing job so much, that they miss out on their personal life a lot and are having issues with their personal relationships and personal lives. In this 6-episode web series, it just captures it so well. And the problems of living alone, and how there are kind of nosy neighbors, and the message is conveyed so well. The songs are so apt. There's some really good music, and the dialogues are so beautifully said in such a poetic manner that you want to write it down somewhere and you want to make it a quote on a Facebook post. It's so beautifully captured, the entire essence of a web series and that of a very simple story. So I would personally recommend most of you kya matlab, all of you or those people who are into these kind of stories with a humanistic touch like me. It's all about taking life decisions and meeting random strangers. This is something that I would personally like and I'm also getting into. So please go check it out. You can just type it, a summer story, and I won't give you much details of the story. I just give you a little vague details, so just go check it out yourself. If you love it, give it a big thumbs up. Write it down in the comment section below. If you have watched it, what do you feel about the web series? Write it down in the comment section below and we can have a healthy and a great discussion. So that's all for today, and I will be back somewhere next week or maybe next month. I don't know, depending on my schedule. But thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel and see ya!